right now. We are not doing this right now. We're not doing this right now. We are not doing this.
No. Keep your hands on. You better know my wife.
I didn't mean to tackle you, but I mean, you kind of threw my wife down on the ground pretty hard, and I don't appreciate that.
I understand that.
All right? I really don't. If I would do that to your wife and you were outside, you'd do the same thing.
Sure, if you were a police officer and she was screaming in my face.
No, my daughter's a police officer, and I know what you guys are going through right now, and trust me, my daughter's a police officer, my son-in-law's a police officer, my
son's was screaming at your daughter and approaching her like that, she would have done the same thing?
No, you grabbed my wife from over there and dragged her over here, which is not necessary. Okay. So you need to chill out about that.
I have a camera, so it's all documented.
I don't care about your camera. Just take a little constructive criticism, dude.
Okay, use some constructive criticism. You want to drop another copper's name? You want to scream about monitor the mayor? Why don't you shut the listen, shut up. Put your hands right there. Put your hands right there. You want to be difficult? You want to say all these coppers and all these things? I want to make this look dirty? Is that what you want to do? So how am I helping you now? Tell me, how can I help you? How? Shut up and let me talk to you, you old geezer. Shut up. Shut up and let me talk to you. You have so much to say, and you touch a cop. So let me talk to you. God. Let me talk to you. Guy! You're not done talking yet, and I'm not done talking to you. So let's be quiet, Dad, so son can get some words in. You're taking everybody's name and dropping everybody's name with a badge, and you're expecting a special treatment. How does that look like to everybody in this environment right now? It doesn't look good. And grab him. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Why are you still over talking? We're going back over here. We're going over here.
They're saying that you pushed an officer. You wouldn't do that, would you?
You know what? When he dragged Maria. When the two girls were on Maria, he was dragging Maria across the street and actually was taking her down on my front lawn. And I basically said, "Listen, just like talk to her." And I pushed him, and I said, "Don't friggin' tackle her." And I pushed him.
Alright, Black World TV, the new black media, black by popular demand. Family, I know it's been a minute, but here I am, black at you today, and I'm bringing you yet again another broadcast, and this one is about a shirtless New York judge who is caught on a police body camera video where it shows this shirtless state Supreme Court justice shoving a Buffalo police officer who was putting handcuffs on his wife during an argument with neighbors. Now, before I go on, I know you saw the video just like I did. And did you see at the end how that judge, as he was white-splaining, he was stumbling all over his words, tripping all over himself because he was trying to keep himself out of hot water. Because after all, that engagement was caught on what? What, family? It was caught on body camera. Isn't that something? Isn't that convenient that when it's involving, you know, non-blacks, they have it caught on video? Conveniently. When it's dealing with black people, well, video body camcorders are nowhere to be found. They're inoperable. They forgot to turn them on. They left them at home. It doesn't work anymore. They left it with the dog. You know, they come up with every excuse in the world why they can't show you evidence of the facts. And instead, they always spew these half-truths and lies, and they expect you and I and everyone else to believe them at face value, when it's been known over and over and over again just how much they lie. In fact, when Johnnie Cochran wrote the book A Journey to Justice, he stated clearly that police often, instead of testifying, they like to test-a-lie. That's right, they like to lie, even under oath and in a court of law. Johnnie Cochran revealed that much. But I digress. So here it is, this shirtless Supreme Court justice. He didn't like how the police shoved his wife to the ground, as you saw on the video. She was kind of going off on the police officer. What did they expect? Oh yeah, that's right. She thought she was a Karen and that she would get special privileges. Well, that didn't happen. This police officer shoved her to the ground, and here comes her husband with his shirt off talking major crap. He got loud and obnoxious with that police officer until the second officer who was observing the situation, he intervened because he, as you saw in the video, he lost patience with this judge. And then he started manhandling and talking to him like a little son. You know, it was funny because he said guy, he kept calling him guy. And then he called him dad at one point in time. Let the son talk. You know, you're always talking over my words and things. That police officer, you know, as I stated in the video, internal affairs should be all over this case. And those police officers, the one in particular, should be fired. But we know how they do it. They always seem to protect themselves. Always seem to not be held responsible or accountable for anything. So family, we're going to close it here. It's Black World TV, the new black media, black by popular demand. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next broadcast. Peace out.